Sometimes we don't know where the road of life is going to lead us. For me, it led me to LaunchCode, a place where purpose and passion collides, a place where you have an opportunity. LaunchCode helped me launch a new career. It gave me that opportunity. So I want to give back. I want to be able to help a new generation of learners become developers by sharing all of my life lessons and all of my struggles and what it took for me to get to where I needed to be today. LaunchCode helped me do that. Now let's go on this journey together. I'll see you there. Okay, so now we're in chapter 11, more on functions. So we've already introduced you to functions and different types of functions, where we talked about pure function versus functions with side effects and really getting the understanding of it. I hope you had an opportunity to go through those particular videos. It's just a resource to help you understand the curriculum. So now we're getting ready to go to more functions. We're going to introduce some more concepts to you because, again, functions are very important for you to learn and understand, but there's a learning curve with functions and they can be very confusing. And the only way to really conquer it is by doing. You got to practice, and you got different types of functions. So without further ado, we're getting ready to hop into the curriculum. But first, if you're new to this channel and you're not a part of the cohort, you can follow along with the link in the description with the curriculum. I highly recommend that you do that. It's a free resource. Now, understand something. Although it's a free resource, it's going to take some effort on your part. And I'm going to show you how to do some setup in this chapter because we're going to really get more into using visual code. So without further ado, let's get into the curriculum. All right, chapter 11, more on functions. The learning objectives. Upon completing all the content in this chapter, you should be able to do the following. Create and use anonymous functions. This is a new function style that we're going to teach you. Explain how an anonymous function can be called, even though it doesn't have a defined name. Explain common uses of anonymous functions. Use recursion to create algorithms that solve recursive problems. Use functions as input parameters to other functions. Describe the concepts of a recursive problem, including the definition of base case and recursive case. Explain how base cases are important in preventing infinite recursion. Key terminologies. Here is a list of key terms for this chapter, broken down by the page the term first appears on. You should make note of these terms and their definitions. Functions as values. Functions as values. Passing functions as arguments. We're going to talk about the set timeout and map. Recursion walkthrough, the base case. Okay, so this is the high-level viewpoint of what we're going to learn in this particular chapter. It doesn't seem like a lot of information. It seems like we just talked about anonymous functions and recursions. But trust me, it's a lot here. So I'm going to take my time, break it down granularly, and help you to better understand functions. So again, follow along. Allow me to show you how to better understand, because of the mistakes that I've made in the past and how it took me so long to understand it and what I did to be able to conquer it. So see you in the next section. This is the end of this video. Okay, take care.